And today I want to show you how we can filter and search for various commits using the git log command. So first of all, we've got git log, and we can use this minus minus after, and then we can give, it's quite powerful what we can put within here. So I'm going to say, show me all the commits that were after 1 week ago. So this is going to show me all the commits that I've made on this particular project in the last 7 days. And we can see, we can scroll down, and we get down to the final one, which was done on November the 27th, so about 7 days ago. We can also do git log and then minus minus until, and then we could put a date in there, so 27th of November 2025, and this will show me all the commits that happened from the 27th of November and before that date. So here we are, we're seeing all the commits starting on the 27th of November and going back in time. We can also search for things like the author, so we can search for all the commits where the author has Dave in the name, and it's picking out all the commits that I've made. And we can also grep the contents of the commit message. So we can do things like git log minus minus grep equals fix, and it's going to pick up all of the messages where somewhere, all of the commits where somewhere in the commit message we have fix. So clearly I've made many bugs that need fixing. We can also do things like, if we're only interested in commits that are merges, we can do git log minus minus merges, and these are all commits which are merges. Probably though, we're more interested in the commits that are not merges, because that's often where most of the code is. So this is now just showing us all the commits that are not merges, and we can drop in any of the options that we learned in yesterday's thing. So we can do the minus P, and this is showing us patch for all the commits that are not merges. So you can put all of these together, and you can do you can use all the options that we learnt in yesterday, and hopefully you're starting to see just how powerful the git log command is.